So let's start with Salesforce. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a CRM platform. What is CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management. Every company has a business. Every business depends on CRM, customer relationship management. In CRM, there are various components. The components we have are sales, service, marketing, commerce. If these four components are strong, that means the company's foundation is strong. If you see world's topmost companies, they have the topmost CRM in the world. But to maintain CRM, you require some platforms. You require platforms to work on. That platform is provided by Salesforce. Salesforce is a platform as a service, which is the second type of cloud service. You might have heard about cloud computing. Salesforce provides platforms on which you have to build your own CRM, you have to build your own sales, service, marketing, commerce portfolios. You have to build your industry specific business operations. So who will use CRM? Who use Salesforce? Every company use CRM. Now every company has their sales team, every company has their marketing team, their marketing strategies, every company has their service teams, commerce strategies. But where they are gonna implement these strategies and how they are gonna drive result out of these strategies, you require a platform. You require your sales team to work on a certain platform, your marketing to happen on a certain platform, the service should happen on a certain platform, and these things should be connected to each other. The person you sold a product should get the service, the data should flow automatically to service people. If you have a new product launch, it should go to marketing, the marketing should be done proper, then the sales will happen. So there is a seamless integration between sales, service, marketing and commerce, which is possible if you have a nice platform. Salesforce is the industry leader in providing platform, the CRM platform. Now that CRM has multiple components. We have sales and service cloud, which is called as Salesforce core. We have Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is used for data driven marketing automation. And Salesforce has multiple platforms like commerce platform and other platforms. Salesforce has an entire ecosystem which will help a business streamline its business process. Now we are here to understand Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We are here to understand what are the marketing requirements top company has and how they are able to successfully achieve and get to that particular level. If you see now in India, you have multiple companies. You have unicorns, you have Baidu's, you have Zomato, you have Swiggy, you have Ola. All these companies, you have a look in their marketing strategy. You go and look what kind of platforms they are using. You will be amazed to know how much effort they are putting in to get it to that place, how much technical marketing aspects, how much they are drilling into marketing using these Salesforce platforms, and they are able to get satisfactory results. So here we will start with Salesforce Marketing Cloud as a product of Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is used for marketing. But what kind of marketing? We have multiple types of marketing done. Suppose you might have heard about digital marketing nowadays. People are doing digital marketing. People are running ads. People are running ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google. People are doing a lot of things. People are pouring in money and people are getting leads. People are getting, selling products online via digital marketing. Then we had a traditional way of marketing. Before we didn't have the technology, we had a traditional way of marketing where we used to distribute pamphlets, we used to call people, we used to display banners on the locality. You see billboards nearby your locality to promote certain products and services. So the action to promote products and services is known as marketing. Ways of doing marketing have evolved time to time. Traditional marketing was there when we were child. Before 10, 15 years, 20 years, we were not having that techno savvy environment. We were not having any internet mobile. That time we had to rely on traditional marketing. But when internet mobile and laptops came, when the world wide web evolved, we have a digital marketing now. In digital marketing, we have social media platforms. We have platforms which are connecting people, where you go and run ads, you pour in money, and you try to promote your products and services. Like we have, you know, set a budget and we ran ads, and how you got, we got you as a lead. So this is the aspect of digital marketing. Now what happens next? It's not probability that you are going to, close, you are going to, purchase the training from us. There is no probability, or very less probability, that though we got you as a lead, you are going to be our customers. So marketing is not only digital marketing. Many companies, many big companies, you see running ads. You see them very active on social medias, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You see them everywhere, spread on Google partner platforms. They run ads. They do a lot of stuff to have a high visibility in customers' eyes. But that is actually, getting a huge amount of investments from them to maintain that branding on social media, on digital channels, where you say digital marketing channels, having costing them a lot of money. If they stop pouring in money, they will lose their branding. People will, another competitor will come who has more investments, more money, and they will be spread all over. Their products will be sold. So digital marketing is a nice thing where you have to promote your products and services to a larger audience. Digital marketing is a nice thing when you do to spread your business across. But when you consider sales, when you consider customer retention, when you consider your return on investments, digital marketing is not the only thing which will guarantee all those things. In fact, digital marketing will never guarantee sales, will never guarantee return on investment, will never guarantee all these things. So pouring in money, you can be on top priority of on social medias, but when you stop, you will lose your brand identity. So now, how to maintain a longer business with people, how to maintain a longer relationship with people, how to maintain customer retention. You see, Amazon launched as a platform before 10 to 15 years in India, and till today I am its loyal customer. Whenever I have to buy something online, the first preference of mine is Amazon. The second preference of mine would be Flipkart. Whenever I have to buy some clothes, the first preference would be Mintra. Whenever I have to buy food online, the first preference would be Zomato, the second preference would be Swiggy. You have hardly seen Amazon running ads, guys. You have hardly seen Amazon running ads. Whose ads you will see? Growing companies ads you will see. Companies, like you might are you might be observing an ad around Country Delight. Country Delight is selling coconuts. So they are not an established business. They are pouring in money to get customer attention. But Amazon is not pouring in money to show ads. Every time you don't see their ads, every time you don't see Flipkart ads. They only go to ads whenever they're going to launch a sale, like Amazon Prime Day sale, Flipkart's Big Billion Day sale. Then they go and to promote that particular sale, they pour in money and launch. But remaining time of the years, you won't see them pouring in money. But how they are generating sales? They are generating sales with the help of data driven marketing, which comes after digital marketing. Digital marketing will help you understand your customer. What is his name? From where he has come? Is he what type of traits he has? Is he okay to purchase our product? What are the traits which we can utilize to sell our products? These all things digital marketing will get. But digital marketing will not guarantee sales, retentions, and anything. So you have to move to other aspect of marketing, which is data driven marketing. Now, what is data driven marketing? You see the example of Amazon, they are purely relied on data driven marketing. You see the example of Netflix, they are purely relied on data driven marketing. You see the example of Swiggy, Zomato, they are totally relied on data driven marketing. They ran digital ads at some point of time, and they have gained that visibility that people go and download their apps, sign up, provide their first name, last name, email address, on all the basic details. That is enough for them. Now they have to understand customer behaviors. They have to understand what products customer are searching on their platforms. They have to make sure that their customers keep on coming back to their platform. And pouring money in ads is not the solution to make sure customer is retained every time, keep on coming on your platform. They send emails, they send push notifications, they send SMS. These emails, SMS, push notifications are not general emails, SMS, push notifications. You see how Zomato is promoting their company using an interactive push notification, which is highly customized based on your preference, based on your behaviors. I personally like to order Chinese food between 5 to 6 p.m. The product Zomato is recommending me via push notification is often Chinese, is often between 5 to 6 p.m. The same push notification, guys, you are not getting. You might be fond of chicken biryani. You might have a different behavior of ordering food between 8 to 9 p.m. So they will understand your trait, they will understand your behavior and model that data to show you customized advertisements, customized promotions. The email which I am getting, I have subscribed to 5 Bitcoin, suppose. I have subscribed to 5 mutual funds. You might have subscribed to 5 different mutual funds, but every day we both are getting mutual fund updates. How much mutual fund went up, how much mutual fund went down, what was the profit, what was the loss. These are customized based on my preferences. They are customized because I subscribe to 5 mutual funds of my preference. So I am getting emails of only those 5 preference subscribed mutual funds. You might have a different preference. You are getting the same time, the same design of email, but the data is changed. So, guys, there are multiple aspects of data-driven marketing. You go on Netflix, you try to search for a series. You see, you like thriller series, suppose. Netflix will understand slowly your traits. Netflix will understand that you don't like fictitious movies, you don't like love movies, rather you have high interest in thrillers. They will start promoting new thrillers to you. You will get emails customized based on your preference. So, guys, sending communication, we are not talking here. We are talking when to send and what to promote to our customers via data. To do that, data driven marketing is very important. To understand customer data, we can customize our promotions. If Amazon is having customers between, suppose, 12 to 60, 70 years old, then to 70 years old, he is not going to promote the product of 15 or 16. That should also be derived through data. If some female like jewelries, then they will not promote men's product to them. They will not promote the product which are not at all relevant to them. So understanding data of a customer is very much required. And once you understand what customer data will help you sell a product to them, you have to model that data. To model that data, you need a platform which is Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a marketing automation platform. This platform comes into picture once you have done digital marketing. Digital marketing is a limited scope of marketing which is very cost intensive. Small companies, like you go and open a startup, you want to promote your service to millions of people, you can't do. You require millions of dollars, you require lakhs, in your pocket which you don't have, that does not mean that you cannot grow. You have other mediums as well. You have to understand the customer better than your competitors. When you understand customer traits, customer behaviors better than your competitors, that means you have a customized strategy for every customer, and you can automate the processes. So now guys, whenever you go and buy, some shoes on Nike, Adidas, Gap, you will see a flavor of data driven marketing. You go and open any application, you go and open Big Basket, you go and open Netflix today, you go and open Zomato, even you go and open Ola and Uber, how well they are marketing using marketing automation, you will get a flavor. One more feature of marketing automation we have, which is being used by companies like Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato, is the location based push notification features. You have ordered a cab, the cab driver is coming, you continuously get a push notification 2 minutes away, 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away, 20 minutes away. How that data is calculated and how that data is personalized and presented you in a beautiful format by Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, you have to understand the technology behind that. That is the part of marketing automation which we will understand in this platform. So guys, big companies definitely do digital marketing, but majority of things lies how they automate things and processes. Amazon is the best example you can take in front of you, how they have automated things and processes, how they have established a strong customer dialogue, how they have established customer trust on them. How your customer will trust if you give them a pleasant customer experience. Like if I go and order something on Amazon, you know, I should get a proper invoice, I should get a proper SMS, I should get a proper push notification. If tomorrow some product went out of stock, if I click on that remind me whenever the stock is back, I should be reminded. That is a small action which builds trust on a platform, which builds trust between the consumer and the company. This is a customer dialogue. Though it has a small feature notifying me whenever the product is available, Amazon does notifies you. How it will notify? It will send you email, SMS, push notification. So sending communication is easy, but how you will prepare the data and send the customer the right information, the right time is a part of marketing automation, which we have to understand. A lot more examples of Amazon. You go and buy a product, you get continuous series of notifications automatically sent, deriving trust in a consumer. I am getting notification whenever I buy a product from Amazon. I get a notification. Your order is approved. Your order is packed. Your order is shipped. Your order is reaching nearby your location. Your order is delivered. Then I get a feedback email. Whenever I go and I'm not satisfied with the product, I go and I return that product to Amazon. I'm getting your order return is accepted. Delivery agent will be assigned. Your order is picked up. Your order went for quality check. Your quality check approved. So the entire marketing automation is there, guys. Establishing customer dialogue is very important to build trust in your company. With marketing automation, you can automate selling things, but the other thing marketing automation provide is to streamline your customer dialogue. Many companies, or you can say all the companies which are running business online, has tremendous efficient features which makes you understand that this company is what I am going with, this company is what I am going to buy a product with. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud is used for two purposes, guys. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is used for data driven marketing, there is no doubt. But the two main important purpose of Salesforce Marketing Cloud is marketing and transactions, because sending communications are involved in both places. If you want to do marketing, you want to commercialize your product, you want to do a intensive marketing around your products via email, SMS, push notifications. You want to continuously engage your mobile app subscribers via push notifications, continuously wants to send them offer on iPhone push notifications. Even you can send push notifications on Apple watches. You are doing commercial marketing. You have one aspect of Marketing Cloud, but the other aspect of Marketing Cloud is handling transactions. You go and withdraw money from ATM, you get immediately an email with your updated balance and the money withdrawn. You put money in, you send me UPI, you get some email from the bank immediately that this money has been received. You go and click on forgot password on a website, you immediately get a forward password email notification with one time passcode. If you want to subscribe, they send some one time passcode. You go to Aadhaar, you want to authenticate, Aadhaar sends a one time passcode. So guys, this is a transaction. Transaction will always not involve money. Transaction is an event and an immediate action. The event is you withdraw money, the action is you get updated balance. This happens real time. So Marketing Cloud is the efficient platform to handle transactions as well. So tomorrow you will see how Amazon is handling transactions. Understanding Marketing Cloud, you will understand how big companies are handling tremendous amount of transactions. You see you see MakeMyTrip.com, GoIbibo.com. You see how well they are promoting live prices. The flight prices are getting updated live. The same live prices they are sending via push notifications. Whenever a price is updated, suppose the flight was 5,000, now it went to 3,500, immediately they will see how many people were looking for price of this flight, and they will trigger a notification that price has been slashed. So this is a marketing. This digital marketing will help you get customer. Once you get customers email address, phone number, why you want to show them ads? You engage them via emails, you engage them via SMS, you make them download your app, you make them direct to your website via emails, give them download app links. When they download app, you engage them via push notification, you engage them with various offers. Why to pour money on digital marketing? So guys, companies smart are investing more on marketing automation than digital marketing. Whatever hype we have for digital marketing will get close after you get a customer, after you get the customer information. After that, how to retain, how to maintain relationship, how to establish strong customer dialogue, how to give a pleasant customer journey, how to work on pleasant customer experience, how to grow your company with all those customers you have, how to cross sell, resell again products to those customers. You have to work with marketing automation. You have to start understanding customer data first. You have to model your data in that efficient way that you are able to use that data for other marketing opportunities. That is marketing automation, and that is provided by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform, is being used by all Fortune 500 companies. It's a highly technical marketing product. If you want to get into technical marketing, you want to play with data, you want to understand customer, you want to work with relational data, how to establish data with data, how to establish relationships with different kind of customer data to find marketing opportunities for them, here is the right platform for you. If you want to build infrastructure like Swiggy, Zomato, Ola, Uber, how efficient their app based marketing is, you have to go with this platform. If you want to understand how Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Zomato are using location based push notification features to connect with their customers at the right moment to provide live information, you have to work with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So guys, today's marketing has entirely changed when you have applications coming in. So you should be able to understand how every application in this universe is trying to marketing their products and services, how well they have maintained their data about the customers. you have to start imagining how Amazon's data structure looks, that they are able to understand each and every behavior of a customer, and they are able to promote right product at right time. And that is how they have maintained that credibility of becoming an Amazon. You have to understand Salesforce Marketing Cloud.